Welcome to the show called Beyond Our Galaxy. Computer, what is this galaxy here? Computer scanning. Well, computer, can you identify this galaxy? Affirmative. This is called the Milky Way galaxy, aka the Loco Group. Are those planets I see there? Affirmative. There are 8 planets there, and one is called Earth. Is that the planet where intelligent life exists? My data banks are getting distorted signals. Well, computer, our supreme leader wants us to check it out, so let's go visit it. Affirmative. Space. That deep, dark distance that lies beyond the Earth's atmosphere. Beyond Earth's atmosphere, other worlds exist. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, inferior planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, superior planets. Only our imagination can take us beyond our galaxy and to our own worlds where we can explore through our own telescopes. But for now, we will journey through our own solar system, beginning with the first planet. Planet Mercury. Planet Mercury is the first and closest planet to our sun. Mercury is located about 35 million miles from it. It takes planet Mercury about 88 Earth days to orbit the sun. Planet Mercury's orbit around the sun is in the shape of a daisy. Mercury's orbit. Mercury has no moons. Daytime temperatures average 662 degrees Fahrenheit. Nighttime temperatures average 274 degrees Fahrenheit below. No earthly could live on this barren planet. Here are some more pictures of planet Mercury. Planet Mercury is one of 5 planets that can be seen in the night sky with the naked eye. And it's now time to journey to our next planet in the solar system. From the sun to the next planet we call Venus, we are now 67,200,000 miles from the sun. Planet Venus has no moons. Daytime temperatures rises to 900 degrees Fahrenheit. Planet Venus is affected by what is called the greenhouse effect. What is the greenhouse effect? Volcanic gases are erupted into the atmosphere of Venus and are trapped inside. Planet Venus would be a deadly place for Earthlings to live on. If Earth was located where Venus is, this is what our planet would possibly turn out to be like. Here are some more pictures of what Venus looks like. Picture shows the way Venus orbits the Sun in relationship to Earth. We now travel to our third and most popular planet in our solar system. Planet Earth. It takes planet Earth about 364 days to make one orbit around the Sun. About 93 million miles from the Sun. Planet Earth has one moon. The Earth's moons affects the ocean waves. Planet Earth has 7 continents and 4 oceans. Earth's human population is now about 7 billion Earthlings. Earth has 4 seasons as is shown in the next diagram. Fall, winter, spring, summer. Planet Earth tilts on a 23.5-degree angle. As planet Earth tilts towards the Sun and is farthest from the Sun as well, spring and summer season is here. When it is warm weather, it is time to go to the beach. Fall and winter seasons, the Earth is tilting away from the Sun, but the Earth is closest to the Sun. Earth is the only planet in the solar system that intelligent life can communicate with each other. Yak. Yak. Here are now some more pictures of planet Earth. We now travel to the fourth and last inferior planet in our solar system. Mars. 141,640,000 miles from the Sun. Mars is also known as the Red Planet. Mars has two moons, Phobos and Deimos, small in size. And it takes Mars about 686.98 Earth days to orbit the Sun. Mars is reddish and brown in color. Mars has what we now call canals clearly marked on the surface. North and South poles have water discovered on it in the form of ice caps. But why are Earthlings so interested in Mars? Mars is the most Earth-like planet where humans could possibly someday colonize here. Only time will tell when and if Earthlings will make Mars their home as well. Here now are some more fascinating pictures of Mars. We now journey to the superior planets, but first we must travel through the asteroid belt. This is where the asteroid belt is located, between Mars and Jupiter. Asteroids are small and big rocks that orbit the Sun just like the planets do. The biggest asteroid is called Ceres and is considered to be a dwarf planet. Asteroid Ceres. NASA's space probe Dawn is expected to arrive and study Ceres about February 2015. Asteroids are chemically made up of carbonaceous chondrites. Other names of asteroids are Vesta, Pallas, Iris, Eris, Hebe, Juno, and Melpomene. We now have made it through the asteroid belt, and our next stop is Jupiter, 483,640,000 miles from the Sun. Planet Jupiter, 483,640,000 miles from the Sun, fifth planet from the Sun, largest planet in the solar system. Planet Jupiter takes 4,332 days to orbit the Sun. Chemically makeup is 88% hydrogen, 12% helium. Planet Jupiter has about 63 known moons. The 4 Galileo moons. Four Galileo's moons are Io, Europa, Ganymede, Callisto. The biggest noticeable object on Jupiter is called the Great Red Spot. The Great Red Spot has wind gusts of up to 200 miles an hour. Here are some more fascinating views of the planet Jupiter. gas giants: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Jupiter's orbit around the Sun. We now journey to the sixth planet of our solar system. Saturn. Computer, is that planet Earth? Negative. This is the sixth planet from the Sun. Can you tell me something about this planet? Saturn is most known for its rings. 8 divisions make the ring. Saturn has 5 most known moons earthing study. Saturn is made up of 96% hydrogen, 3% helium. Is there intelligent life here, computer? Negative. Let's find Earth then, computer. Affirmative. Here are 8 rings of planet Saturn. In 1997, NASA launched the space probe Cassini-Huygens to explore planet Saturn. The small probe Huygens was released to descend on Saturn's moon Titan. Huygens probe searches for water on Titan, while the Cassini probe studies the rings of Saturn. Saturn has about 63 moons that orbit it, but only 6 of Saturn's moons are popular to study. What are some of those moons? Chemical makeup: 96% is hydrogen, 3% is helium. Saturn orbits the Sun once every 29.5 years. Saturn is 1,222,000 miles from the Sun. Here are some more awesome views of Saturn. Saturn's orbit around the Sun. Note the distance from the Sun and Earth. Planet Uranus is our next stop in the solar system. Planet Uranus, 1,783,100,000 miles from the Sun. Planet Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun. Uranus tilts on its axis at a 97-degree angle. Chemical makeup of Uranus: hydrogen, helium, methane. Uranus also has a ring around it like Saturn. Uranus's main moons: Puck, Miranda, Ariel, Umbriel, Titania, Oberon. Planet Uranus's orbit around the Sun is shown here. It takes Uranus 84 years to orbit the Sun once. Astronomer William Herschel discovers planet Uranus on March 13, 1781. Here is a comparison picture of planet Earth alongside of planet Uranus. Here's how planet Uranus orbits the Sun on its 97-degree tilt. We now visit the last planet in the solar system. Planet Neptune. Planet Neptune, 2,800,000,000 miles from the Sun. Planet Neptune tilts on an angle of about 47 degrees. and it has a great dark spot where the weather is chaotic. Winds of up to 1,000 miles per hour happen here. Planet Neptune is chemically made up of hydrogen, helium, methane. Planet Neptune has 8 moons shown here. The moon Triton is the most important one because it has water on it. Planet Neptune's moon, Triton. We now journey to a dethroned planet called Pluto, 3,674,500,000 miles away from the sun. Pluto has 3 moons, Charon, Nix, and Hydra. Pluto was discovered by American astronomer Clyde Tombaugh in 1930, and American astronomer Percival Lowell finally made the discovery complete. But today, the International Astronomical Union has declassified Pluto as being a planet because Pluto does not orbit the sun like the rest of the planets do. And here's a picture of what the planets look like as they orbit. Well, that is all for this show, but only time will tell what we Earthlings will find when we look up into the night sky and beyond our galaxy.